Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you have an amazing weekend. It's Sunday, June 12th, 2022. It's around 5 pm and the temperature is 29 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. Now I am walking across Pansudan bridge. Let's walk. Quite overcast condition now. There is a possibility of rain shower today. Over there, that is Sule Square, Sule Shangri-La and Sakura Tower. Underneath the bridge, this is Bogyoke Road. There are lots of green trees on both sides of this bridge. This is Bogyoke Road. Vehicles are moving forward, maintaining the traffic rules. Beautiful greeneries beside the road. Yangon is a green city indeed. There are some old colonial era building also. On the right side, this is Yangon Central Railway Station. Beautiful green trees surrounded the Central Railway Station. Yangon Central Railway Station is the largest railway station in Myanmar. The footpath is quite wet due to a rain shower in the early afternoon. Total rail network of Yangon Central Railway Station is 5031 km. It covers Upper Myanmar, Napido, Mandalay, Shuibo, Upcountry, Michina, Shan Hills, Taunji, Kalo and the Thaninthari coast. The station was first built in 1877 by the British and was later rebuilt in 1911. The station was destroyed by the retreating British in 1943 from advancing Japanese forces. The current station building was designed by Wu Tin in traditional Burmese architectural style, making prominent use of indigenous tiered roofs called piathat, and was completed on 5th June 1954. Yangon Central Railway Station has been designated a landmark building since 1996. Over there, those are floodlights of Bogyoke Stadium. This is the premises of Central Railway Station. What a wonderful architectural design of the station. Bus services are also available in this station. People are walking across the footpath. People are chit-chatting. This bridge connects Upper Pansudan Road and Anaura. It's a beautiful central railway station indeed. What a beautiful greenery is on both sides of the bridge. Quite cloudy atmosphere now. Beautiful green trees in front of the station premises. Vehicles are moving forward, maintaining the traffic rules and regulation. Yangon is one of the planet city in the world. During British colonial time, British government planned the Rangoon city precisely. That's why the roads and infrastructure are still well planned in comparison to other cities in Asia. People are walking using umbrella due to the possibility of rain. Over there, that red color building is old colonial era buildings. There are some apartments behind the colonial era buildings. This is Upper Pansudan Road. On the right side, that is a church for Christian community named Saint Anthony's Church. It's a wonderful church indeed. People are using bicycles and trishaws. The road is neat and clean. The traffic system of Yangon is well organized. What a wonderful architectural design of colonial era buildings and the church. This is Myanmar trishaw. Now I am walking across Upper Pansudan Road. While walking across this road, you can see lots of palm trees beside the road. As you can see, that red color building is an old colonial era building. It was built during British colonial time. This is Saint Anthony's Church. Over there, that is mosque for Muslim community. There are lots of green trees beside the road. It enhances the beauty of the city. There are lots of high-rise apartments. Now I am walking beside Bogyoke Stadium. There are lots of shops in this stadium. beautiful old colonial era buildings. This is a neighborhood beside Bogyoke Stadium. Vehicles are parked beside the stadium. There are some shops and restaurants beside the stadium. It's raining now. Now I am crossing Upper Pansudan Road by car. As you can see, this is the old colonial era building and Saint Anthony's Church. It's a beautiful church indeed. Now I am crossing Kenfu Road. This is a neighborhood beside Kenfu Road. This is British colonial era building. Beautiful green trees beside the road. This is Bogyoke Road. That's it from today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.